Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial video. Today I'll teach you guys how to unblock an account on Instagram if they have blocked you. So for an example over here, I'm going to go on my message. So which Kevin, my second account, has blocked me. So I can type any message to him I want, but I'm still blocked by him, which means he's not going to receive any of this message. And to show you the proof of that I have been blocked by Witchy Kevin, I will try to search for his name over here on my search. As you guys can see, the account Witchy Kevin does exist, but nothing is being shown over here because I have been blocked by him. Alright, so in this case, how I can fix this problem is, so I need to create a second account, and using my second account I need to add both of this account, my friend Witchy Kevin's account and my current account, on a group, and then I can text them. So this is how it works. So I'm going to go on my second account. So on my second account I have gone to the message section. So on my message section, at the top right corner you can see the little pen with the pencil icon. Click on it. Now I can create a group, and on the group I'm going to add two of my accounts. So I'm going to add these two people over here on this group, which is 677 and Witchy Kevin. So since my second account is not blocked by Witchy Kevin, I can add him on a group as well. So I will click on create group chat. So just like this, I have created a group adding both the blocked person and the person who the other person blocked. So in this, I'm going to write the message yo. Now I'm going to switch back to my another account. So right now I'm on my account which was blocked. So I got a message, and as you guys can see, both me and the other person is in this group. So what I'm going to say is add Witchy, why did you block me? So just like this, I'm just going to write him this message, why did you block me? So I just used a second account to add both my blocked account and the person who blocked me, like that. So after adding both the account, I can chat in this group. So that's how you guys can unblock people on Instagram that you blocked. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.